Today we're going to go over the Victor rat zapper. I got a chipmunk stuck in the house and it is not getting into the live traps, so I'm moving on to the electric rat trap to use for it. So you open the box, you got this guy. So what they do, crawl in through here, and when they reach the back part, they connect the rear plate and that floor plate, and it zaps them, kills them, and then you can just turn it off. So you would turn it on off here, batteries go here. So first, we're gonna bait it. I'm just gonna use some peanut butter with a butter knife. I'm just gonna put some on the tip here. I don't think it's gonna take a lot. And we're just gonna go in the back here. We're gonna put it on this back wall. And so when they lick it, and they're standing also on this plate here, that plate down. And you can put a little bit on the back through here and wipe it off. If I had one suggestion for improvement, it'd be so this back plate could hinge down, spread the stuff up, hinge it up. It'd be just a lot easier. So now we got it baited. You look in there, you can see the peanut butter on the end there. We need to put the batteries in. So the batteries, just nothing there, up. Load them up. So it's 4 AA batteries. Put it back in. So you notice when you turn it on, you get the little green light. When a rodent goes in there and gets caught, that will start flashing. So if you walk out, you see a green flashing light, it means you got one in there. A red flashing light means you need to replace the batteries. So now that we got it all set up, I'm going to go put it against the wall in my other room where we've seen the chipmunk running around, and I will send a follow-up, hopefully in the morning, showing what happened. All right, here we are with the rat trap. It's been about 2 days it's been in there, and I walked out this morning or this evening, and this light was blinking green. Real quick look, got ourselves a chipmunk. So, I think it worked great. I'm gonna rebait it, put it back out, see if we can catch anything else. Not sure why there's a chipmunk in my house, but we're gonna see if we can catch any others that might have snuck in. If you have any questions or comments on the rat zapper, please leave them in the comments below and hit subscribe.